Hello students, this is a lecture of class 9 subject maths exercise 13.3. Today we will start our next exercise of this chapter. The concept of this exercise, that is surface area of a right circular cone. It means इस एक्सरसाइज के अंदर हम राइट सर्कुलर कोन के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे। ये देखिए, ये जो शेप हमारे पास बनी हुई है, दिस इज़ द राइट सर्कुलर कोन। अदर एग्जांपल लाइक आपने बर्थडे कैप देखी है, जो बर्थडे कैप हमारे पास वो कुछ इस शेप्स के अंदर बनी हुई होती है, तो वो हमारे पास एक राइट सर्कुलर कोन को शो करती है। सॉफ्टिज जिसको आप ईट करते हो, खाते हो समर टाइम में, तो वो भी एक राइट सर्कुलर कोन की शेप है। क्लियर? जिसमें ये हमारी हाइट कहलाती है। दिस इज द हाइट विच इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय स्मॉल h, दिस इज द रेडियस विच इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय स्मॉल r, एंड दिस इज आल्सो हाइट, but this height is known as the slant height, which is represented by the small letter L. You have to remember that in the right circular cone there are the two types of the height. One is the particular height, we can say that vertical height, and one is the slant height, which is represented by L. And the vertical height, just name is height, that is represented by small h. Clear? So clear? Where r, h and l are radius, height and slant height respectively. अब देखिए, हमें यहाँ पे सा कर्व सरफेस एरिया स्टडी करना, टोटल सरफेस एरिया। जैसे हमने सिलेंडर का हमने स्टडी किया था, सेम वैसे हमारे पास उसका एक कर्व सरफेस एरिया होगा जो इक्वल होता है हमारे पास पाई आर एल के, वेयर पाई इज द 22/7 और 3.14, विच डिपेंड्स upon the statement form. Clear? In there are some sums we have given the pi value, or we can, or in some statements we can take itself, and r is the radius and l is the slant height. Clear? Now total surface area, that is pi r into l plus r, means curved surface area added plus base area. So curved surface area is pi r l plus base area is like pi r square, so it will become like pi r is common, so it will become l plus r. So pi r into l plus r. So on the basis of these two concepts or the formula, we will solve our example of this exercise, that is example 4. Find curved surface area of right circular cone. It means we have to find out the CSA of right circular cone whose slant height 10 centimeter and base radius is 7 centimeter is given. Clear? Now for solution, you have to write first slant height. This is like L is equal to 10 centimeter, R is equal to 7 centimeter. First you have to write these two form, then you have to solve like this type. So curved surface area is equal to pi RL. Now pi is taken 22/7, R is 7 and L is 10. Now 7 to 7 cancel out, 22 multiplying 10, that is 220 centimeter square. Here is, you have to remember that if pi's value is given in the statement, then you have to take that value. Otherwise, when you will take 22/7, when you will take it, when r or l only one terms, like r is the multiple of 7 or l is the multiple of 7, or both the terms are the multiple of 7, then you have to take like 22/7, because that time 7 will be cancel out with the multiple of like r or l, which are multiple of 7, like clear, like in this form. Here is the r is 7, which is the multiple of 7, so this is cancel out and you will get the result. So clear? The answer is 220 centimeter square. Now the next example 5. The height of the cone is 16 centimeter. Like this is a cone and height is given. Like this is height, that is given 16 centimeter, and radius r is 12 centimeter. Find the curved surface area and total surface area. We have to find out the CSA and TSA. For CSA we need like pi r l. Pi is given 3.14, r is given, that is 12 centimeter, but l is not given. It means first we have to find out the l. So look at this cone shape, like this is h, this is r and this is l. This is a right circular cone, it means this angle is 90 degree. So applying this right angle triangle Pythagoras theorem, use Pythagoras theorem and find the value of l. Like l is equal to root s square plus r square. So h is 16, r is 12 centimeter. Solve, you will get the result 20 centimeter. So curved surface area is pi rl, so 3.14, and r is 12, and L is 20. So multiplying with 20, when you will solve it, you will get the result 753.6 centimeter square. Clear? Now further, total surface area. So total surface area equal to pi r into L plus r. You have the value of r, L, and also r and pi. When you will put all these value in this formula, you will get the result 1205.76 centimeter square. Clear? So on the basis of these two sums, you have to solve only first two four sums of exercise 13.3 in fair notebook. Clear? Just you have to solve first four sums in fair notebook of exercise 13.3. Clear? Thank you and have a nice day.